Docker installation in Ubuntu 21.04. Welcome to the Learn Computer Technology. This is the part 3 of Docker installation tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will learn various method of installation of Docker in Ubuntu 21.04. Basic operation in Docker interface and bash shell. Installation of Pi-hole in Docker. Before installation, let's know about the prerequisite for the installation of Docker. Prerequisites for installation of Docker are Ubuntu 21.04 64-bit operating system. A user account with sudo privileges. Sudo stands for either substitute user do or super user do, and it permit you to elevate your current user account and provide the root privileges temporarily. Command line or terminal. You can open terminal by shortcut Ctrl-Alt-T or navigating Applications menu, then Accessories, then Terminal. After ready with all prerequisites, let's move for the installation. Let's start. Depending on your need, you can install Docker Engine in different ways. Here we will learn the 4 methods of installation of Docker in Ubuntu 21.04. Method 1. Installation of Docker using official repository. This is the recommended approach. Method 2. Installation of Docker using Ubuntu OS default repositories apt. Method 3. Installation of Docker using a .deb package from Docker official website. This method is the recommended when no internet available. Method 4. Installation of Docker using convenient script. This is the brief introduction to installation of Docker in Ubuntu. We will do each method in next parts of this series. Hope you have learned and understand the topic. Please like, share, subscribe and express your view in comment for our motivation. Thanks for watching.